I'd hoped to come here and just develop a relationship so we can do great things together. Hello, Matt, nice to meet you.
Frederick, our technical specialist for collision
Hello,
repair.
Matt, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I was a financial guy, and I started making YouTube videos in 2014 just as a form of therapy. When I go through a factory like this, I just marvel at like every square inch of that somebody had to think through, and to see the size and scale. And when he was talking about how each roll of sandpaper can be up to 1.5 kilometers on one roll. This is my first ever trip this far. My gut was telling me I needed to come here and to see it and to meet the people and to see the capabilities. And so I'm gonna go home inspired and ready to push the team to make me some great stuff that I can sell to customers like me.